Hello guys, welcome to the studio. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Akai MPC Key 61. There has been a lot of talk out there in the forums about what it's been like for those who have been using it. Because of that, we will not be looking at the review in terms of the hardware review and the features and functionalities. It seems to me like people who are using the MPC Key 61 do not have a single issue with the software. And why is that? It is safe to assume or to agree that it seems as if the new MPC Firmware 2.11 update was specifically made for the new Akai MPC Key 61, because all the complaints or all the issues that is flooding majority of the forums for those who are using the live 2 and the 1 and co. I've not seen a single MPC Key 61 user raise such issue, like software issue, while everyone else is kind of like complaining about one thing or the other. And most of the release that has been coming up, in previous episode we told you about the fact that Akai does not even show you the release notes of what they are fixing and all that. But I noticed that if you try to do your update on the system, if you do it on your PC, that is, you will get a notification that says new in MPC 2.11.3, for example, stability and reliability improvement. So yes, but that kind of like a generalized term for me anyway. But let's move on. Let's agree that, well, let's just work with that. So let's move on. The point here is, this is basically just what is happening to those who are using the Akai MPC Professional Series, except the new MPC Key 61. The only problem I've been able to see online that the MPC Key 61 users are having seems to be the fact that that particular keyboard, you are not able to use it seamlessly with other DAW. That might be on purpose, or if they copy the same semantic that is being followed when you are using the other MPC professional devices. You agree with me that it might not just work seamlessly with other DAWs. So you are looking at it from the angle of, yes, it's a keyboard, I should be able to use this keyboard on my other DAW. They are still seeing it as it's Akai MPC device, which will work seamlessly with their MPC software. But if you want to now use it with any other DAW, you might have to now start doing some tweaks or probably start running some extra cables and things like that to make it work. So people have been like, why can't I just connect it? And if it's seen as, a keyboard, a MIDI device on the other DAW. So there is some of the complaints, about that from people. Aside that, everything else works perfectly on the MPC Key 61, while some bugs still need to be fixed and addressed on the Akai MPC, maybe the live 2, the 1, basically the other devices. So it is safe to just assume like that particular this particular new update, this new firmware update 2.11, is strictly tailored to work seamlessly with the new Akai MPC Key 61, while the rest of us, we are second class citizens. So yes, let's live with that, and we hope that very soon, with the patches that has been coming up, eventually we will step up to also become first class citizen of the MPC 2.11 update. Yeah, so that'll be all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you in the next one.